Hi children, hope all are fine. Now we are to learn an interesting subject, maths. Chapter 1, Geometry.
Basic shapes. There are a number of shapes all around us, but the four basic shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. This is a square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let us now make a square through paper folding. Step 1. Take a paper and fold it as shown. Step 2. Cut the shaded portion. Step 3. Now unfold the paper. We get a square. The dotted line is a diagonal obtained by joining the respective opposite corners. There are 2 diagonals in a square. To compare the sides of the square, fold the paper as shown. All sides of a square are equal. Measure the diagonals with a thread. The diagonals are also equal. Let us now list out the things around us that are square in shape. A clock, a photo frame, a window, rectangle. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. To measure the sides of the rectangle, fold its opposite sides. What do you observe? The sides coincide. So, opposite sides are equal. As you did for the square, make the diagonals in the rectangle and measure the diagonals using a thread. In a rectangle also, diagonals are equal. Now let us list out the things around us which are rectangular in shape. A book, a pencil box, a TV remote, a laptop. Triangle. This is a triangle. Let us make a triangle through paper folding. Take a paper and cut it along its diagonal. We get 2 triangles. A triangle has 3 sides. It also has 3 corners. Now let us list out things around us which are triangular in shape. Samosa, cone ice cream, circle. This is a circle. A circle is a closed curve. It has no corners. Let us learn to draw a circle using pencil and thread. Tie one end of the thread to the pencil as shown. Press the other end of the thread on the paper and draw the curved line with the pencil. We get a circle. This is the center of the circle. It has no corners. Now let us list out the things around us which are circular in shape. Disc, plate, clock, bangle. Pull a piece of thread tightly between your hands as shown. It gives you a straight line. Now bring the two hands closer. It gives you a curved line. Curved lines and straight lines can be drawn with the help of dots. Look at these designs. We call them column. Write the number of corners and sides of the shapes in the boxes. This is a square. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. This is a rectangle. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. This is a circle. It has no corners and no sides. This is a triangle. It has 3 corners and 3 sides. Fold a square paper at the corners as shown and write the number of corners and sides obtained. In this figure, there are 5 corners and 5 sides. In this figure, there are 6 corners and 6 sides. In this figure, there are 7 corners and 7 sides. In this figure, there are 8 corners and 8 sides. Tangram. The tangram is an ancient Chinese puzzle. From these pieces of the tangrams, we can make many figures of animals, people, and other things. Let us prepare some tangrams with these 5 pieces. Let us do this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this figure also, we need only 4 tangrams. 1, 2, 3, 4. This figure needs 5 tangrams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let us prepare a figure with 7 tangrams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let us use these pieces in some figures. In this figure, use all the 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this figure, tessellation. A tessellation is created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gaps or overlaps. Triangles, squares, hexagons are the regular polygons tessellate in the plane. Here are examples of a tessellation of triangles, a tessellation of squares, a tessellation of hexagons. Now observe the following pictures. Pentagons, 5 equal sides. Heptagons, 7 equal sides. Although pentagons and heptagons are regular polygons, they do not tessellate.
I hope all have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.